In American English, the letters W and V have very different sounds. W is made by rounding your lips like a small circle, as in water, window, wonder. V is made by placing your top teeth on your bottom lip and making a buzzing sound, as in very, voice, van. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. This is a very good movie. This is a very good movie. This is a very good movie. The wind is blowing hard. The wind is blowing hard. The wind is blowing hard. I like your voice. I like your voice. I like your voice. Please open the window. Please open the window. Please open the window. We rented a van for the trip. We rented a van for the trip. We rented a van for the trip. The wall is painted white. The wall is painted white. The wall is painted white. She put the flowers in a vase. She put the flowers in a vase. She put the flowers in a vase. Wait for me at the door. Wait for me at the door. Wait for me at the door. He wore a black vest. He wore a black vest. He wore a black vest. I wonder what happened. I wonder what happened. I wonder what happened. I want to visit my grandma. I want to visit my grandma. I want to visit my grandma. I will call you later. I will call you later. I will call you later. My uncle lives in a small village. My uncle lives in a small village. My uncle lives in a small village. I want to win the game. I want to win the game. I want to win the game. Did you vote this year? Did you vote this year? Did you vote this year? My shoes are wet. My shoes are wet. My shoes are wet. This is a beautiful view. This is a beautiful view. This is a beautiful view. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. Her voice was loud and clear. Her voice was loud and clear. Her voice was loud and clear. The kids are playing with a wagon. The kids are playing with a wagon. The kids are playing with a wagon. I eat vegetables every day. I eat vegetables every day. I eat vegetables every day. I have a test next week. I have a test next week. I have a test next week. We took the cat to the vet. We took the cat to the vet. We took the cat to the vet. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. They live in a valley. They live in a valley. They live in a valley. The bird ate a worm. The bird ate a worm. The bird ate a worm. Everyone should vote. Everyone should vote. Everyone should vote. The whale swam past the boat. The whale swam past the boat. The whale swam past the boat. I made a new video. I made a new video. I made a new video.